אוצר מילים, vocabulary. Before we start the exercise, let's refresh our memories and maybe add some new words into our vocabulary. To work, and I don't mean the action to work, I mean heading to work will be לעבודה. לעבודה. Don't confuse it with the verb לעבוד. לעבוד is the action to work, and to work here, לעבודה, means heading to work. לנסוע or ללכת, לעבודה. To the store. לחנות. לחנות. To the sea. לים. לים. home. הביתה. הביתה. To the cinema. לקולנוע. לקולנוע. To the mall. לקניון. לקניון. To the restaurant. למסעדה. למסעדה. To the grocery store. למכולת. למכולת. Excellent, guys, so I hope that you wrote down all of those expressions to your notebooks, and I'm going to see you in the next lecture where we're going to exercise with the verb להיכנס. That's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.